Have you ever wondered what the best-selling gadgets on Amazon really are? Not the most expensive, not the most famous, the ones people keep buying again and again because they actually work. Products that make your home more comfortable, clean faster, stay more organized, and solve little daily problems you don't even think about. Some seem simple at first, until you see why thousands keep buying them. And once you understand what they do, more than one will end up in your cart. Music sounds fine, until you take it outside and it suddenly feels weak, flat, and easy to ignore. This flips that instantly. The Anker Soundcore 2 pushes out strong, clear audio with bass that actually hits, turning small gatherings into something that feels alive. It handles water, splashes, and rough use without hesitation, so you bring it anywhere without thinking twice. The battery keeps going all day, so the music never cuts off right when the vibe is building. Pair two together and the sound expands in a way you actually notice. It is simple, reliable, and surprisingly powerful for its size. After using it, quieter speakers just feel disappointing. This portable upgrade lands at about $29.99. Hard floors turn simple workouts into something uncomfortable fast, and that is where this changes the experience. The Amazon Basics Extra Thick Yoga Mat adds a soft layer that absorbs impact and keeps your body supported whether you are stretching, training, or just starting out. It stays in place with a textured surface that grips without feeling rough, so you move with confidence instead of adjusting every second. Roll it up, carry it anywhere, and it is ready whenever you are. It feels simple, but once you use it, going back to thinner mats makes everything less comfortable than it should be. This everyday essential comes in at about $22.48. Rough heels sneak up on you until walking barefoot stops feeling comfortable, and that is when this takes over the job. The electric callus remover spins smoothly to lift dead skin without the scraping or pressure that makes the process uncomfortable. Switch speeds depending on how tough the area is, and let the rollers handle everything while you barely apply force. It works after a shower when skin is softer, making the results faster and cleaner without risking irritation. It is waterproof, easy to rinse, and compact enough to keep close for regular use without effort. After a few sessions, your feet start feeling noticeably smoother, and skipping it feels like going backwards. This simple self-care upgrade comes in at about $30.99. Bending down every time you sweep gets old fast, and somehow the dust never goes exactly where you want it. This fixes both problems in one simple move. The TreeLen Broom and Dustpan set lets you clean while standing upright, so your back is not part of the job anymore. The broom collects everything smoothly, and when it is time to transfer it, the built-in teeth pull out hair and debris in one pass without using your hands. The dustpan locks in place, so nothing spills while you carry it to the trash. It stores together neatly, ready to grab without clutter. After using it, shorter sets feel awkward and inefficient. This practical upgrade comes in at about $22.49. Morning light hits your room way too early. Noise sneaks in, and suddenly your space never feels fully yours. These curtains change that atmosphere the moment they are up. The NICETOWN Blackout curtains block out most of the light, turning your room into a darker, calmer place where sleep actually feels uninterrupted. The fabric feels heavier than expected, helping reduce outside noise while keeping heat out in the summer and warmth in during colder days. Slide them closed and the entire mood shifts, like your room finally works with you instead of against you. They hang easily, look clean, and once you get used to that controlled environment, going back feels uncomfortable. This simple upgrade sits at about $9.98 right now, making it one of those changes you notice every single day without even thinking about it anymore. Scrubbing the shower or tiles usually means bending, pushing hard, and still not getting the results you want, until this changes the whole process. The Leebein electric spin scrubber spins with steady power and reaches areas you normally avoid, especially when you extend the handle and clean without kneeling or straining your back. Swap between brush heads depending on the surface, from floors to corners, and let the motion break down dirt while you guide it lightly. It runs long enough to handle full cleaning sessions and rinses easily after use, so it is ready again without hassle. After a few uses, manual scrubbing feels like unnecessary effort and time lost. This smart cleaning upgrade comes in at about $37.98 today, making chores feel shorter and far less exhausting every time. Stepping on a scale and only seeing one number never tells the full story, and that is where this changes the experience. The Etekcity Smart Body Scale tracks multiple body metrics at once, giving you a clearer picture of what is really happening beyond just weight. It connects to your phone and builds a visual progress over time, so you start noticing patterns instead of guessing. The readings feel quick and consistent, making it easy to check without turning it into a task. You can even track different users, so it fits into daily routines without confusion. After a few days, a regular scale feels limited and almost useless. This simple upgrade brings more clarity to your progress for about $19.97 today, helping you stay consistent without overthinking every measurement. You leave the house and that small doubt stays in your mind, wondering what is happening when you are not there. This removes that feeling fast. The Ring indoor camera shows you everything in real time with clear video, day or night, so you always know what is going on without guessing. It alerts you the moment it detects movement, but you choose what actually matters, avoiding constant unnecessary notifications. You can place it anywhere or mount it higher for a better view, and when you want privacy, just slide the cover and it is instantly off. It feels less like a camera and more like a quiet, extra set of eyes you control at any moment. After using it, being away feels different, more controlled, and less uncertain. This smart security upgrade comes in at about $29.99 today, giving you peace of mind without effort. That one smell in your home never fully disappears. It just hides until someone notices, and this takes care of it quietly. The Febreze plug air freshener keeps releasing a steady scent that does not fade quickly, so the space stays consistently fresh instead of going from strong to nothing. It targets odors instead of covering them, making rooms feel cleaner the moment you walk in. Set it once and it keeps working in the background without needing attention, filling bedrooms, kitchens, or hallways with that familiar fresh scent. After a while, walking into a neutral room feels off, like something is missing from the atmosphere. This simple upgrade keeps everything smelling right for about $12.94. Taking out the trash sounds simple until the bag leaks or smells start escaping before you even tie it, and that is where this fixes the routine. These 4-gallon drawstring trash bags hold everything securely without tearing or dripping, even with daily use in smaller bins. The drawstring tightens quickly, so you close and remove it in one motion without touching anything messy. They fit neatly, stay in place, and keep odors under control longer than expected. After switching to these, weaker bags feel like a problem waiting to happen. This everyday essential comes in at about $9.34. Stepping out of the shower and reaching for a cold towel instantly ruins the moment, and this fixes that feeling completely. The SereneLife towel warmer bucket heats large towels, robes, even blankets, turning them into a warm wrap that feels like a spa at home. Set the time with one touch and watch the temperature rise while everything inside heats evenly, not just in spots. It holds enough for 2 people, so no one is left waiting or compromising. The outer surface stays cool, adding a sense of safety while the inside does its job quietly. After a few uses, that warmth becomes something you expect every day, and going without it feels like a downgrade. This comfort upgrade comes in at about $99.99 today, making every shower feel better from start to finish without extra effort. You spot one bug, and suddenly it feels like there are 10 more hiding somewhere, turning your home into a place that does not feel completely clean anymore. This stops that cycle before it grows. The Ortho Home Defense creates an invisible barrier that keeps insects out while quietly handling the ones already inside. The wand sprays smoothly, so you cover edges, corners, and entry points without effort or constant pumping. Use it once and it keeps working in the background, protecting kitchens, bathrooms, and outdoor areas without needing daily attention. It feels less like a spray and more like a shield you set and forget. After using it, that constant worry about pests fades away and your space feels fully under control again for about $22.62. Cleaning floors usually means touching dirty water or struggling to get the mop just right, and this removes that part completely. The O-Cedar EasyWring spin mop system lets you rinse and dry the mop using the built-in spinner, so your hands stay clean while the head comes out ready to use. The microfiber grabs dirt with just water, leaving floors looking fresh without needing extra chemicals. Its triangular shape moves easily into corners, under furniture, and along edges where cleaning usually takes longer. The motion feels smooth and controlled, making the whole process faster and less tiring than expected. After a few uses, going back to a regular mop feels messy and outdated. This practical cleaning upgrade comes in at about $31.81 today, making everyday cleaning simpler and more efficient. Stepping out of the shower onto a cold, wet floor instantly ruins that clean, relaxed feeling, and this changes that moment completely. The OLANLY Bathroom Rug feels thick and soft under your feet, absorbing water fast so you are not leaving damp footprints around the room. It dries quickly, stays in place with a secure backing, and keeps your space looking neat without constant adjusting. The texture adds comfort while the design blends easily with your bathroom, making it feel like part of the setup, not just an extra piece. After a few uses, going without it feels uncomfortable and incomplete. This simple comfort upgrade comes in at about $35.14. Walking into a shared bathroom juggling bottles, towels, and everything slipping from your hands gets old fast, and this fixes that chaos instantly. The Lifewit mesh shower caddy keeps everything in one place, with multiple pockets that separate your essentials so you are not digging around every time. It stands on its own when you set it down, then hangs easily when you need it to dry, letting water drain out without leaving anything soaked. The handles feel sturdy, so carrying it back and forth becomes simple instead of awkward. It is lightweight, breathable, and surprisingly spacious for its size. After using it, going back to carrying loose items feels messy and inconvenient. This small, everyday upgrade comes in at about $5.99. Crumbs show up everywhere, in the car, on the couch, in corners you never planned to clean, and dragging a full vacuum for that feels like too much. This solves that instantly. The Blackdecker CHV1410L gives you quick power in your hand, pulling in dirt, dust, and small debris without setting up anything complicated. The slim rotating nozzle reaches tight spots easily, so you clean areas that usually get ignored. It runs cordless, feels light, and is ready whenever you need a fast cleanup without turning it into a whole task. Emptying it is simple, and you can see exactly what it picks up each time. After using it, leaving small messes behind feels unnecessary. This everyday helper comes in at about $49.64. Spills happen, accidents happen, and suddenly your mattress is the one thing you cannot easily fix or replace. This prevents that problem before it even starts. The Bedlore Waterproof Mattress Protector adds a quiet, protective layer that blocks liquids completely while still feeling soft and breathable, so it does not change how your bed feels. It stays in place with a deep pocket fit that wraps securely around the mattress without shifting during the night. You move, sleep, and relax without that plastic noise or discomfort most protectors bring. It also keeps dust and everyday mess away, making cleaning simple when needed. After using it, sleeping without protection feels like a risk you do not want to take. This simple upgrade comes in at about $23.97 today, keeping your bed protected without changing your comfort at all. Wrinkles show up right when you need to leave, and ironing feels like too much work for a quick fix, until this makes it effortless. The HiLIFE garment steamer heats up fast and releases steady steam that smooths fabric in seconds without setting up a full board. Just hang your clothes, glide over them, and watch the wrinkles disappear while the fabric stays fresh. It is compact enough to travel with you, yet powerful enough to handle different materials without damaging them. The tank lasts long enough to finish multiple pieces in one go, so you are not stopping every few minutes. After using it, going back to traditional ironing feels slow and unnecessary. This simple daily upgrade comes in at about $24.97. Your dryer starts taking longer, clothes stay damp, and you do not realize the problem is hidden deep inside. This clears it out before it turns into something bigger. The PetOde Dryer Vent Cleaning Kit reaches into tight spaces where lint builds up over time, pulling out debris you did not even know was there. It connects easily to most vacuums and slides into narrow gaps behind appliances without struggle. The brush lifts trapped lint while the hose removes it fast, helping your dryer run smoother and more efficiently. It is simple to use, but the difference shows immediately after cleaning. After trying it, ignoring that buildup feels like a risk you do not want to take for $7.99. That moment when the room feels stuffy and the air just sits there no matter what you do. This changes that instantly. The Dreo Air Circulator Fan pushes air across the entire space, not just in front of it, so the whole room starts to feel balanced and fresh within minutes. It runs quietly enough to leave on during sleep, creating a steady breeze without that distracting noise most fans bring. Adjust the angle, pick your speed, and let it move air exactly where you need it, whether you are cooling down or helping other devices work better. It is compact, easy to place anywhere, and once you get used to that constant airflow, going back feels uncomfortable. This simple comfort upgrade comes in at about $39.93 today, making every room feel more livable without extra effort. Outlets run out fast, chargers pile up, and suddenly your space turns into a mess of cables fighting for room, and this fixes it in one move. The TESSAN power strip gives you multiple outlets and USB ports in a compact design that actually keeps everything organized instead of spreading it out. The flat plug slides into tight spaces without blocking other sockets, while the layout lets you connect several devices at once without overlap. It protects your electronics quietly in the background so you plug in without worrying about surges or overloads. Mount it or leave it on your desk, it adapts without getting in the way. After using it, going back to basic power strips feels limiting and cluttered. This simple setup upgrade comes in at about $20.69. A plain room feels fine, until you add lighting that actually changes the mood completely. The DAYBETTER LED strip lights turn walls, desks, or ceilings into something more alive with colors that shift instantly depending on what you want. Stick them in place, grab the remote, and suddenly you control the vibe. From calm tones to bright effects that make everything feel different. They are easy to set up, flexible to place, and once they are on, the space feels less empty and more personal. Switch colors, adjust the look, and watch how quickly the atmosphere changes without moving anything else. After using them, regular lighting feels flat and boring. This simple upgrade comes in at about $8.52.